close to you, give me kisses. And when I'm by your side, treat me sweet. I don't need no aggravation or making me feel at home. And you better be sweet to me, or I'll be gone. Now when we go to parties, pay attention. Don't spend half the night in the powder room. And if you flirt with other guys, you find yourself alone. And you better be sweet to me, or I'll be gone. Oh, well, I know if you really try, you could keep me satisfied. So when we're parking all alone, don't waste time, just get it on. If you want my company, come on closer. And if you want my loving, take my advice. Well, just wrap this chain around my heart. I'm taking you right home. And you better be sweet to me, or I'll be gone.